Hey, can I ask you something?
Yeah, of course.
You know that feeling when someone asks you, "How was your weekend?" and you understand the question, but then you just freeze?
Oh, yeah, you know exactly what you did, but the words just don't come out.
Exactly. You're like, good weekend. I go, and then nothing.
Yeah, that happens to so many people, and it feels embarrassing, right?
It really does. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be like that.
Nope. And that's exactly why we're here today.
This is English conversation practice for beginners, and today we're going to fix that exact problem.
Welcome, everyone. You're listening to the Easy English Podcast.
The place where we talk slowly, simply, and naturally, so you can actually learn real English.
Not textbook English, not robot English.
Real English, the kind people use every day.
And if this is your first time here, hey, welcome. So glad you found us.
And if you're coming back, hey again, we're happy you're here.
Okay, so today's topic, talking about your weekend.
Such a simple topic, right? But so important.
Because think about it. This question comes up all the time at work, at school, with friends.
Monday morning, your colleague walks in. First thing they say?
Hey, how was your weekend?
And if you can answer that, naturally, confidently, that is a huge win.
Huge, because it's not just about the weekend, it's about making a connection with someone.
Exactly. So today, we're going to learn simple sentences, real phrases, and natural ways to talk about what you did on the weekend.
Even if you didn't do anything exciting. Trust me, that's okay too.
Very okay.
All right, let's start simple, super simple. This is the most basic conversation.
Listen first, then we'll explain everything.
Hey, how was your weekend?
It was good, thanks. I stayed home and watched TV.
Oh, nice. Did you watch anything good?
Yeah, I watched a movie. It was really funny.
That sounds great.
Okay, did you catch that? Nice and short, nice and simple.
Let's look at the first question. How was your weekend? This is the most common question. You will hear this every week.
How was your weekend? Say it with us. How was your weekend?
Good. Now the answer. It was good, thanks. 3 words to remember. It was good.
You can also say it was great, or it was okay, or even it was quiet.
Quiet is a good word. It means nothing big happened, just a relaxing weekend.
A lot of weekends are like that, and that's a perfectly good answer. So let's practice this structure. It was plus one word.
It was good. It was great.
It was fun.
It was busy.
It was relaxing.
It was boring. Honest answers sometimes, right?
Very honest, but that's real English. Real people say it was boring sometimes.
Now you try. Think about last weekend. How was it? Say the sentence out loud. It was.
Go ahead. Don't be shy. Nobody is listening except you.
Exactly.
Okay, let's go a little further now. After how was your weekend, the next question is usually,
What did you do?
right, what did you do? This is past tense, but don't worry, we're going to keep it very simple.
Listen to this conversation.
So, what did you do this weekend?
I visited my family. We had lunch together.
Oh, that's nice. Where does your family live?
Not far, about 30 minutes away.
That's close. Did you do anything else?
Yeah, on Sunday, I went for a walk. The weather was really nice.
Oh, I love that.
Okay, let's break that down. I visited my family. Simple sentence. Subject, verb, object.
I visited my family. Beautiful.
You can use this structure with anything. I visited my friend. I visited my sister. I visited my neighbor.
Or, I called my family. I cooked for my family. I watched a movie with my family.
All very natural, All very simple.
Let's do a quick list. Common things people do on weekends. Ready?
I stayed home.
I went shopping.
I cooked a big meal.
I watched a series on Netflix.
I went to the gym.
I slept a lot.
Very important activity.
I met some friends.
I went to a restaurant.
I cleaned the house.
I did nothing. Also a valid answer.
These are all real, natural answers. Pick one that is true for you. Practice saying it.
Okay, now let's look at some different situations because not every weekend conversation is the same.
Right. Sometimes you want to ask more. Sometimes you want to share more.
Let's say your weekend was really good. How do you express that?
You can say, "It was amazing," or "I had so much fun," or "It was the best weekend."
And if it was not so good, maybe you were sick or you were very tired.
You can say, "It was okay," or "I wasn't feeling well," or "I just rested at home."
All very polite, very natural.
And here's another situation. What if someone tells you about their weekend and you want to react? What do you say?
Good question. Here are some easy reactions.
"Oh, that sounds fun."
Nice.
"Really? That's cool."
Oh, wow, I love that.
"That sounds lovely."
These little reactions, they make the conversation feel real. They show the other person you are listening.
And people love that, trust me.
All right, let's put it all together now. A longer, more complete conversation. Listen carefully.
"Hey, good morning. How was your weekend?"
It was really good, thanks. I was quite busy, actually.
"Oh yeah? What did you do?"
On Saturday, I went to the market with my sister, and then we cooked together in the evening.
"Oh, that sounds lovely. Do you cook often?"
Not really, but I enjoy it when I have time. What about you? How was your weekend?
Mine was pretty quiet. I stayed home on Saturday, but on Sunday I went for a long walk by the beach.
Oh, nice. The weather was good, right?
Perfect. Sunny and not too hot. It was really relaxing.
That sounds amazing. I need to do that sometime.
You should. It's so good for your mind.
Did you notice something there?
They asked each other questions. They shared details and they reacted to each other.
That's what a real conversation looks like. It's not just answers, it's back and forth.
Like a game of tennis. You hit the ball, the other person hits it back.
I love that. English is like tennis.
Short sentences, simple words, but it flows.
Okay, now it's your turn. We're going to say some sentences, and we want you to say them out loud. Ready?
Here we go. Repeat after us.
How was your weekend?
It was really good, thanks.
What did you do?
I stayed home and watched TV.
I visited my family.
I went for a walk.
I cooked a big meal.
It was quiet but relaxing.
That sounds lovely.
I had so much fun.
The weather was really nice.
What about you? How was your weekend?
Good job, everyone. Seriously, every time you say it out loud, you get better. That's how it works.
Your mouth needs to practice, not just your eyes.
So say it. Say it again and again.
Okay, let's do a quick summary. The most important phrases from today.
Number 1, how was your weekend? The question everyone asks.
Number 2, it was good, great, quiet, busy. Your basic answer.
Number 3, what did you do? Asking for more details.
Number 4, I went, I visited, I stayed home. Simple past actions.
And number 5, that sounds fun. Lovely. Amazing. Reacting to someone else.
5 phrases. That's it. That's enough to have a real conversation.
Seriously, don't think you need 100 phrases. Start with 5. Use them well.
Okay, here's something we want you to do right now.
Go to the comments below this video.
And write, in English, what you did last weekend.
Just 1 or 2 sentences. For example, I visited my friend. We watched a movie.
Or, I stayed home. It was very relaxing.
Simple, short, real. And we will read every comment.
And if you see another person's comment, say something back. React to them. Practice the conversation right there in the comments.
That's real practice. That's the good stuff.
All right, that's our episode for today. Talking about your weekend in English.
Remember, you don't need perfect English to have a real conversation.
You just need a few good phrases, a little confidence, and practice.
And you're already doing the practice part by being here, so well done.
Seriously, the fact that you're here, listening, learning, that matters. Keep going.
If this helped you today, give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow.
And subscribe if you haven't already, so you don't miss our next episode.
We'll see you next time on the Easy English Podcast.
Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye.